Once upon a time, in the distant forest of Farlands, lived a powerful lion who was the king of the jungle. His name was Arslan. Arslan was known for his mighty paws and thunderous roar. But despite his strength, he had a kind heart. He loved justice and never allowed unfairness. Every creature in the forest trusted him and respected his sense of fairness. In the same forest lived a large, gentle and wise elephant named Fidan. Fidan was known for his wisdom. He treated trees, flowers, birds, and even the tiniest ants with love and care. Arslan and Fidan would often meet, talk about the balance of the forest, and make plans to help those in need. One day, a great drought struck the forest. Streams dried up, ponds cracked open, and animals struggled to find water. Babies grew weak from thirst, and mothers ran around in panic. Arslan and Fidan were deeply saddened by this. They immediately called for a meeting. All the animals of the forest gathered. Arslan stood on a tall rock and roared out, "My dear friends, this drought affects us all. But if we work together, we can get through these hard times. We must help each other and share what little we have." Fidan also spoke. "Near my part of the forest, there's still some water left, but the path is long and rough. Still, with my strong legs, I can carry it. I just need some help." From that day on, Arslan and Fidan launched a great collaboration. Arslan patrolled the paths to keep the water carriers safe. Fidan walked miles every day, using his trunk to carry water and fill up the ponds. Other animals joined in to help. Squirrels guided the routes, birds scouted from above, and even the turtles encouraged the carriers with kind words. Days passed. The ponds began to fill again. Animals once more played happily in the water. The little ones were joyful, and the mothers were relieved. The forest had come alive again. One day, Arslan and Fidan sat under the shade of a big tree, tired but proud. Fidan turned to Arslan and said, "What do you think, my friend? When strength and wisdom come together, great things happen, don't they?" Arslan smiled. "And when joined with love, anything is possible, dear Fidan." From that day on, Arslan and Fidan were remembered not just as leaders of the forest, but as its silent heroes. They showed everyone that helping one another and staying united is the true strength of any community.